Fears of a global trade war are rising after the US President-elect Donald Trump threatened India, China, Russia with 100% import tariffs if they try to create their own currency or support an existing currency to replace the US dollar. Now, the threat was given to the BRICS nations, which make up almost 40% of the global trade. The US dollar has been dominating the global financial infrastructure for a long time. So why does the United States feel threatened now? The dollar dominates the global trade, accounting for more than 90% of transactions. Now this dominance also gives US the power to impose unilateral sanctions on any country that does not align with it geopolitically, which is exactly what has happened. US imposed unprecedented sanctions on Russia and Iran by cutting them out of the crucial SWIFT network, which are essential for cross-border financial transactions. And ever since that has happened, countries, including India, are looking to reduce their dependency on the dollar. Experts believe that this weaponization of dollar is what's harmful for it because it pushes countries to look for alternatives. India is working to link UPI with global payment systems so people can make international payments without using SWIFT. In 2023, Brazil's president had pitched for creating a new BRICS currency. Russia's SPFS and MIR and China's CIPS are being used to challenge the dollar's dominance.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risk, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.